Hello and welcome back to my channel. I'm Betka and I'm a back pain coach and a clinical Pilates instructor here in Dallas, Texas. And today we are going to do a 15-minute video with a chair for a lower back pain relief. So find your chair and let's get started. So the first exercise we are going to do today is a seated cat and cow. So sit on the side of the chair, so scoot forward, and then have your hands either on your thighs or on your knees, or you can even hold on to the side of the chair. And then if you're sitting on an armchair, you can actually hold on to the arms. And then from here, you are going to send your back against the chair, the back of the chair, and then away from the chair, and then look up. And then send your back against the chair, towards the back of the chair, and then sit up. Beautiful. And then the arm moving back and forth. Inhale as you send your back towards the chair, and then exhale, sit up, and then look behind you. And then again, back goes towards the chair. Very good. And then up. Nice. And then just keep moving. It's always important to work within your pain tolerance. Very good. And then let's do 3 more. And 2. And 1. Nice. And then from here, we are going to do some side bending. Now we have 2 options with the arms. So you can actually bring one of your hands, one of your arms above your head. This is option number 1. And option number 2 would be have your hands hanging off the chair by your side. And you are just moving side to side. So you're reaching your fingertips down towards the floor. I like to do this one if I don't feel like moving my shoulders above my head, or you have some shoulder pain. So you have this option to do. We are just moving side to side. But of course, you can actually do this version as well. If you've been struggling with back pain, this channel is definitely for you, because all my videos are helping you to manage and to overcome your low back pain. So the exercises are simple and effective for low back pain or back pain. Very good. Let's do a couple of more here. Very good. And then 1 more. Nice. Now from here, have your hands on your knees. Inhale, nod your chin. And then as you exhale, slide your hands down towards your feet. You don't have to go all the way down. Go as far as your body allows you to go. Go down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, sit all the way back up and then look up. And inhale, nod your chin. And then as you exhale, slide your hands down towards your feet. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale all the way up, you have the option to move your arms overhead and kind of like extend your spine. And then we're going to go down again. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way back up. You can stop here, or you can have your arms overhead and extend your spine. And then again, we're going to go down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way back up. And then reach your arms overhead if it feels good for your body. And then let's do 2 more. We're going to go down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, again, you don't have to do that arm movement. You can just simply push your chest up and then look up. But I like to do this. And then we have 1 more. And go all the way down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, sit all the way up and then reach your arms overhead, and then arms go by your side again. Very good. Now from here, We are going to bring our right knee towards our chest as far as we can. If you can't, you can just hold on under your knee or under your thigh and then put it back down. And then the other side. You can also use a belt here or a flex band or even a towel. You can just simply hover your foot, and if you can't hover it, don't worry, you can just come up onto your tippy toes, and that's perfectly fine. Do whatever your body can do. Very good. So I'm going to bring this up here. Very good. Side to side. Nice. And then a reach. Beautiful. And then a reach. And then we are going to add to this. When you are bringing your knee towards your chest, you're going to create a small shape with your body. And then you're going to look up. And then again, create a small shape with your body. And then look up. Create a tiny little bow with your body. And then we are moving side to side. Very good. Again, you're more than welcome to do any other options your body can do. If you ever have any questions, any feedback for me, please don't forget to comment it. I would love to hear it from you because I do all these exercises for you. So your feedback matters to me. Very good. And one. Very good. And then we are going to do the last one here. And sit all the way back. Beautiful. Okay, now we did a lot of flexion and extension of the spine. We did some side bending as well. Now we're going to do some rotation. Okay, so from here, you are just going to simply look behind you. It doesn't matter if one knee goes forward. That's absolutely fine. Not to worry. In fact, it is also good for your pelvis. Okay, so move your knees. Very good. And then literally we are just moving side to side here, looking behind you. Now, you have the option to make it deeper. Again, you don't have to do it. You can hold on to the side of the chair and just, you push with this hand and then you pull with the other one. And then you're moving to the other side. This deepens the stretch. Again, work within your pain tolerance. Side to side. Very good. You can also do these movements if you're sitting in the car, most of them. If you have a long drive and you're not, of course, if you're not driving, you can do these exercises or even on an airplane. Very good. And then let's do one more each side. Beautiful. Okay, so what we're gonna do here is we are going to do a couple of sit to stands. You are more than welcome to hold on to something when we do these exercises, okay? So first we are just going to stand up and then sit down. Now, if this is too much for you, what I like to use is a pillow on top of the chair, okay? So what this pillow does, it elevates you, okay? And it will make it easier for your thighs. But again, you can also hold on to something. And then we are going to stand up. And then we are going to sit down. And then standing up. And then sitting back down. Very good. And up. And then back down. If you feel like when you're standing up, it's hard on your back because we put load on your back when you're standing up, you need maybe another pillow. Or the other option would be you walk around the chair and then you just go down as far as you can and then stand up. So this is another option for you if the previous version is too heavy for your back, because you know it can be. Okay, I'm gonna go back and do this one. We are going to do 5 more of this. 5, very good. And 4, 3, and 2. And on the next one, we are going to stay up. Now, I don't need this pillow anymore, so I'm gonna put it back. So stand right in front of your chair. And then from here, inhale, we are going to nod our chin. And then as we exhale, we're gonna go down as far as we can. If you don't need the chair, you can go all the way down. So you can actually take a step back and then you can go all the way down. You're gonna take a big breath in here. And then as you exhale, you are going to slowly come all the way back up, okay? I'm gonna do this with the chair. Let's do this together. Inhale, nod your chin. Exhale, you can soften your knees and then go down as far as you can. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way back up. Nice. If you can, rise up onto your toes. And then heels go back down. And then again, we're going to roll down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, all the way back up. And then rise up onto your tippy toes. Lower the heels down. And then again, we're going to go back down and nod your chin, roll down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way back up. And then again, you're welcome to lift up, lower down. And you nod your chin again. Roll all the way down. You can soften your knees if you need to. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way back up. And then rise up onto your tippy toes. Lower the heels down. And then we have the last one. Nod your chin. Roll down. Take a breath in. And then as you exhale, come all the way up. And then rise up onto your toes. And then lower your heels down. Now we are going to do a stretch, okay? So you have the chair sideways in front of you. And you are going to put the leg, which is closer to the back of the chair, on top of it, okay? On the side. And then from here, we are going to move this knee towards that chair, okay? So what this does, it actually, you should be feeling a stretch through your hips. We can start moving back and forth a little bit. Very good. So moving back and forth with your waist. And then what you can do here is you can actually do some side bending here. Very good. And then deepening the stretch. And the reach. And then let's do 2 more. And 1. Let's hold it here for 3, 2, 1. Come all the way back. Now, I'm not gonna walk around. I am just going to move the chair the other way. But you're more than welcome just to walk around, but I don't wanna show my back to you. So now we are moving. Again, the closer foot goes on top of the chair. And now we are moving this knee towards the back of the chair, okay? And then we are again moving back and forth with our waistband, with our pelvis. And then we can add some side bending here. You don't have to. I just like to do that. Very good. To really loosen up the back. Nice. 3 and 2. And on the next one, let's hold it. 3, 2, and 1. Very nice. And now we are going to move the chair back. At least I am going to. Because now we are going to do a stretch to really loosen up the SI joint area as well as your hips and the back. So we are going to put the right foot or the right ankle on top of the left knee or the left thigh. Very good. And then we are going to start moving back and forth with our low back. So you're sending the low back behind you. Very good. And then forward. Now your shoulder can absolutely roll forward. That's absolutely fine to do that. Why not? Drop your chin into your chest and then look up. Very good. Moving back and forth. Very good. And now we are going to move a little bit more towards above our legs. Very good. Because when we do that, you should be feeling a deeper stretch through this area right here. 5 and 4, 3, 2. Now on the next one, we're gonna stay here and just hold the stretch. You can actually drop your chin, hold it for 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1, and sit back up. And now we are going to switch. Very good. And then we are moving back and forth with our back. Very good. Now, it might be that one side is tighter than the other, and that's what I feel as well. This side is my tighter side, and that's absolutely okay. We are humans. Very good. And 3, and we are going to start moving more towards our legs. 4, 3, 2, and on the next one, we're going to stay here and hold the stretch. Drop your head if you wish for 5, 4, 3, 2, and slowly sit all the way back up. Beautiful. And thank you so much for being here with me today. If you liked what we did, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel now, and I hope I see you next time.